Hi students, I want to send you a quick message and welcome you to your CHEM 119 experience. My name is Dan Collins and I'm actually going to be your instructor through this 8-week course. This is a highly experimental course. We have never done an 8-week course, let alone with first-time in college students, and truthfully, I'm very excited to do this. But with that, I just want to send a message and talk a little bit about the expectations. One, I know what you guys are going through. I would hate for us to be dealing with a course by a distance media such as Zoom, but we're going to do the best we can. And first off, I want to welcome you guys to A&M. Your graduation from high school has become very different, and I really applaud you taking the steps ahead and going and doing what you want to do and beginning your academic career here at A&M. But also, let's talk a little bit about the course. Not only will we have this welcome video, but I will be shooting a video over the next couple of days about what is going to be contained in the syllabus. At A&M, the syllabus means everything to us. It is not only the contract that we write with you, but it's also the expectations that we want as faculty members for you going through the course. So what we're going to do is I will go through a video and highlight many of the important things that you see in that syllabus. Predominantly the grading scale, the schedule, and the expectations of not only the lecture, but also the lab and when you meet Dr. Altimos later in the week. The other thing that I'm going to do is then shoot a video with screenshots about eCampus. That is going to be our hub. That is where you're going to get all of the information. You are going to be provided with more academic material than any general chemistry course that I have actually produced up to this time. We're going to have worksheets. You'll have videos. The nice part about it is that if you are struggling with the material, you will have more resources to help you get along with the information that you need. You might not need all of them, but because of the manner and how this course is built, it's really going to be in 2 different formats. When we have our class on our Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, that is going to be doing problem sessions. We will be doing those live while on Zoom, and you will be seeing and meeting me for the first time, and we will be doing it for you to help you through the problems that we will see on not only the quizzes, the exams, but also your various assignments. But really what happens before that is what we call the asynchronous lectures. Those are going to be the content of what we will talk about in the problem session. My goal is to get those to you 24 hours in advance of when those lectures are expected. Our first lecture of material is going to be on Wednesday. So Tuesday, you can expect those videos to be up. That way you can watch them. Now, I understand it may take a while for you to deal with the internet format as well as hearing my voice drawn on and on and on about chemistry for going on 20, 30 minutes. So what I'm really hoping to do is to shorten these videos, give them to you in 10 to 15 minute chunks, so that way you don't have to watch them all at once. So in a normal course of the week, I want you to be able to go through, watch the videos, then we're going to attend the problem sessions on your lecture times on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then finally, you'll have your lab time with our teaching assistant and Dr. Altimos, and we will try and give you the best experience possible. I know this is different. I know this feels challenging, but most importantly, I want this to be a little bit of fun. I commend you for taking your summer during these times and really trying to work forward. But at the same point, I'm going to push you. I don't want you guys to ever get upset, but if you ever feel worn down, if you're feeling tired, talk to me. The nice part about this is that I'm used to lectures of 300 students. For you guys, that number is dramatically reduced. And so I want to have the same feel that you would in a high school environment, but as you're transitioning towards your Texas A&M career. We are also going to highlight a few non-chemistry things. I want you guys to be able to look and ask questions of, what is it like on campus? I'm concerned about this. If I don't have the answers for you, maybe I can point you in a direction that will help you out, not only for this summer semester, but as you're transitioning going forward. So if you have questions, ask away. There are no stupid questions. Trust me, this is a very different transitioning time in your life, and we're going to do the best we can. So as we come up with this first week, because of the memorial service for George Floyd, we are not going to have class on Monday. This means on Tuesday, For your normal lab time, we are going to do the syllabus review and make sure you are signed up for all of the materials you need. Your online homework. We're going to talk a little bit about the contact you're going to get with the lab. We'll get you connected with your iClicker reef polling system so that you can answer the questions during the problem session and get participation for showing up. The other thing is we'll talk a little bit of the logistics on what benefits you best as we're starting to go through. Then on Tuesday, we're going to take a little bit of a different spin. You are all transitioning from high school to college. This is a big jump. And as you start to grow through your college career, many of us faculty members will tell you the skills that got you in aren't good enough to get you out. So let's work on those skills. We're going to talk about what it means to have self-efficacy. You're going to start thinking about thinking. Many of you have great skill sets that did you very well in high school. But what happens if they let you down in college? So now the scary thing is I want to be able to show you that we do care about your growth and evolution going forward. And I'm going to be able to give you some tips and tricks. Maybe it comes with time management. Maybe it comes with studying. The nice part about having a fewer number of students is that I actually can take time and work with you individually on this. Then come Wednesday, we'll have our first normal lecture. Finally, on Thursday, you will meet with the lab for the first time. So if you're worried about the lab and trying to get signed up with anything, they are going to take care of you on Thursday. And then Friday, Dr. Altimos is going to take care of you guys because I'm going to be doing some traveling in Fort Worth that I can talk a little bit about later on. But hopefully we'll get into a very nice systematic week on how all of this works. So thank you guys for watching this. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. It's going to be a fast 8 weeks, but I am so thrilled that you guys are here. I'm glad that you guys actually get to see a video of me because eventually you're going to get awfully annoyed with hearing my voice on those videos. If you guys have any questions, any concerns whatsoever, make sure you email me. This is going to be probably one of the most difficult things during this 8-week semester because that is pretty much most of my point of contact. If I don't see you in the video, make sure you're emailing me. Don't ever hesitate to ask a question. I want to get that and help you out the best we can. So have a great weekend. I will hopefully see some of you on Tuesday, probably most of you. And if not, have yourself a great time, and I will see you guys down the road. Be safe.